This townhome was dusty and crusty and it was old, and now it is beautiful and it is ready for its new owner. Welcome to Pretty on Pennington. My name is Morgan with the Build Collective and the Home Collective. This is a renovation project that we were not only able to design and build for our client, but we're also able to sell it for them as well. We got called into this project because it was a little bit of a disaster. There were issues with the construction. There were a ton of issues with the design. So we came in and we got this project back on track for our clients. When we looked at the design plans, there were improper clearances. Things were sourced for this property that just did not make sense. So some of the issues we had to fix were incorrect cabinet sizes, fixtures that were just way over budget for the property. We had tile that was out of stock. We had flooring that was out of stock. A really important not only design but functionality decision we had to make when we came into this project was when we came in, they had already moved the soffit. Now, soffits are typically there for a reason. They're housing electrical or they're housing plumbing, especially when you have a multi-story property. Typically, those things can't be removed. So we had to have a hard conversation with our clients and we ended up having to rebuild the soffit. We had to go back to vendors and reorder the proper sizes, like for the cabinets. And we really had to work backwards when there was already a design plan that was finalized. However, this plan just didn't work properly for this property. So this has to be the most renovated and elevated unit in this complex. We have designer finishes, multi-tonal cabinetry, quartz countertops. We have a beautiful white oak flooring, designer tile, and these are things that no other unit in the complex has around. We are so grateful that our clients called us in their time of need and they trusted us to get their project back on track and get it done right. A few red flags to look out for when you're looking to start a renovation project so you don't land yourself in the same situation are, first and foremost, you want to hire a reputable general contractor who is licensed, bonded, and insured. They also should have a track record and a portfolio to show you. Your contractor is such an important piece of your entire renovation. You can have all the prettiest finishes picked out and the best design, but if you don't have a great general contractor to execute that plan, all of that can go out the window. And lastly, price. If it's too good to be true, you're gonna get what you pay for.